my many minds, my many minds. My heart doesn't always agree. What I'm thinking inside. Think about it, your gut can lie. And when you're hungry but it hurts to eat, do you actually wanna die? No matter how bad it tastes, I want it.
Here's a metaphor for my life. I'm eating McDonald's to get healthy. Tell me how that makes sense. And I think I heard Bigfoot. Did he run away? I don't know. I would have invited him in my tent so we can drink some miso soup. It's dangerous. In peace. No. And talk don't do that. About conspiracy theories. Maybe all night. I wonder if he believes in aliens.